This is my brother and my dad having a Rubik's Cube race. And marks, get set, go! I think I said that wrong.
Shut up, here's a trying to work.
Hello, Dad.
Hello, Cruz.
Don't tell them my name.
Yeah, this is YouTube, Dad. It's so dangerous to tell little kids' names.
Big hands versus little hands.
Big hands versus little hands.
Little cube and big cube. It looks
Hey,
like that.
Shut up, this is on YouTube.
Stop saying YouTube. By Beaky. Okay,
Yeah, okay.
Balala, how long till the video is ending?
Tell both of them.
Rocky the donut. What?
Okay.
Dad, what?
I messed up.
Okay.
That's good.
No, it's bad.
That's good.
It's bad.
You should do it again.
Okay, now I'm gonna.
I messed up again.
That's good.
No, that's bad.
No, I think that's good.
Good for you. Okay, now I'm snacking on my apple.
Chrissy, don't be weird in front of the camera. Or behind the camera, I guess. Looks like this will be yet
Oh, this
another
is not going good. This is
yet
not going
another
well.
win for Lucas.
For the little hands.
Maybe. I'm not doing too good either. I'm messing up. I'm just not telling you when I mess up.
And Dad has a meat
Okay.
on his shield. Oh, where'd all the red apples go? Right there. Apples. Okay. Yeah, Lucas might win again. Slash little hand.
Don't call my name.
You already said your name, man.
Well, Lucas is gonna beat you all then.
You meant Lucas?
That's not my name though. I mean, yeah, that's totally my name.
Dad, what's your name?
Dad. His name's Dad.
Super
obviously.
concentration.
His name is Ryan.
Snap, I messed up.
Ha ha ha. Mwahaha.
No, not good. Snap.
Taste the apple.
I think I can reset it though.
Okay, I'm just a 7-year-old video in this, so don't judge it, please.
Okay. That wasted a lot of time.
It's a fun video. Oh, hi, Skull in the background. Okay. I am a nice house. Zombie.
Okay, the cross is made.
This was made at Halloween time.
Dang it, I just told Dad where I am, and I'm not sure if that made him feel good or bad. If it made him feel good, then darn it. If it made him feel bad, then haha.
If it made him feel both, mwaha, no.
Okay. Now, are any of these in the way? I got super unlucky with my cube.
Stop saying super unlucky.
Dang it, you're already to there? I think I know where you are, but I'm not quite sure.
3-minute long video. Wow. Almost 4.
Dang it!
Finish stuff for the video.
It is.
You distracted me. I'm not quite sure where I am.
The dad has won again. The big has won.
You said that I would win, Cruz.
They call me Rubik's Big Hands. See?
Okay, this is me. Hello.
Rubik's Big Hands.
Me shield. Oh my giant hands. Shield
I'm
and giant
almost done.
hands.
Wait, fit video, Lucas is.
I'm
Oh my 4-minute long video.
See how close I was?
Apple.
Well, you can't tell yet. 'cause
Taste
I'm
the
not
apple.
done, But like,
Hello.
it's gonna take me
This is me. Okay.
so close.
I want to see the video.
Yeah, let's watch it. Make sure it's not too boring.